If you want to add Pedometer to the home screen on the Motorola Moto G87, what you can do is you can use the Google Health app, which you might have pre-installed in the app drawer. But in case you don't have the Health app, then in that case you can open the Play Store, then we can use the search option and just type Health or Google Health. So let's see, here it is this app over here, Google Health Fitbit. So previously it was Fitbit, but it has been renamed to Google Health. And once we have the app ready to be used, then of course we want to open it. Then you can sign in with Google or with a Fitbit account if you had one previously. And then in my case, I'm just going to continue. And if you set up your account for the first time, most likely you will have to go through some prompts, some configuration, and so on and so forth. So be sure to follow instructions and provide all the necessary information to be able to use the app. Over here, we can allow Google Health to push notifications, of course, if you want to. Most likely you have to do that. And there we go. Inside of the app, we can see the step counter in here. But what we can do now is we can go ahead and find the Health app again, and you can press and hold your finger on it to find the widgets option. And then you should be able to find this quick access widget. We can press and hold our finger, and then we can drop the widget anywhere we want to. You should still be able to resize the widget to some degree, and you can try to create any widget whatsoever, or at least try to use one that at least displays the steps counter over here. So as you can see here, we have the steps counter, and we can see it all the time on the home screen. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.